Today on Showbiz India, it's my pleasure to welcome Arshad Rokerya from CBC Bank. It's great to have you. Welcome to Showbiz India.
Thank you, Reshma.
I met you at a very critical time in my life when COVID had just started in 2020. And I remember we were scrambling to get the PPP loans. And my previous institution was just not helping at all. And when a common friend suggested I contact you, you were a lifesaver and a game changer. You were so attentive, gave such good service to me, and really, it felt like you cared, which was very unique. And you made sure we got the loans for both my businesses. As many of people who are watching might know, I have, of course, Showbiz India, and I also have Reshma Beauty, and you made sure I was taken care always. So what would you say is the tangible difference between you and other institutions?
That's a very good question. By the way, thank you for the compliment. You're right, Reshma. Many banks talk about relationship banking, but do they walk the talk? Or are you just an account number or a loan number? Many of our clients have come to realize having a relationship officer handle their banking is very valuable, just like you did. For example, when the pandemic hit, we were one of the first financial institutions in line to get PPP loans for our clients. Our clients also know that if they need something last minute, they have someone to call. Our clients feel the difference in our service versus other banks. Our routine check-in with the clients have also allowed them to be on the driver's seat.
Let's pivot into something that's very, very important, especially critical in this financial environment, which is lending. Tell me what do you do for small business owners like me and investors on the lending front?
Again, very good question, Reshma. So we're very active in lending, whether it's to buy a new business, buy or refinance a commercial building, secure working capital lines of credit, SBA loans, or investor financing. We have a large focus in this area. The bank has a very healthy balance sheet and have grown exponentially in the last few years. So we continue to make sure our deposits are put to work in the economy. Our goal this year is to lend over $60 million. This will certainly help the economy and the businesses we serve.
Wow, that's great to hear. And obviously you are a community bank, and I love that, by the way, having a community bank on my side. And how involved are you with the community, and do you donate time or money to our community?
Well, our CEO Ash Patel's push is to empower each and every one of us to give back to the community. Whether it's to be on a board of a nonprofit, volunteer our time, give money to good causes, or help lend in markets where the need may be greater. He has instructed us to find ways to give back. We as a bank are only as good as the communities we serve, so it is important for us to have a strong community that is thriving.
That's fantastic to hear. A lot of banks are talking about technology and how innovative they are. And of course, that is very important because, that is the service that we are used to with bigger institutions. So how does CBC compare to that?
Well, we offer all the technology, Reshma, that large banks offer, whether it's remote deposit scanners, mobile deposits, online wires, ACH capabilities, mobile app. We do it all, but we take it a step further. We want to be a bank that leads to technological innovation when it comes to banking and payments. So we launched a new product called CBC Cash Flow, where our clients will be able to bypass third-party processors like PayPal and Square, who hold on to your money for a few days. Clients will be able to invoice their clients and vendors electronically and much more. But again, as I mentioned in my first question, we are committed to always being a phone call or email away and ready to help whenever our clients need it. We still believe in the human touch, want to make sure our clients feel taken care of.
And that I have to say, I totally agree with, because obviously I am a client now, and I really do enjoy that. I'm old school, so a lot of the technology I don't know myself. So I call and I actually know your Patrick and Mike, and they're always amazing. They help me out throughout. So, and this new part I did not know, so I'm gonna have to pick your brain later and see how we can work together. But overall, Arshad, I wanted to send this message out to the community because really your bank has really helped me personally and professionally. And I think some of our viewers can really take advantage of that. So of course they can call the number on the screen. And thank you for taking the time out and talking to us and our community.
Well, thank you so much, Reshma, for the time.
And make sure if you like this video that you do subscribe to us. And we love to hear from you. So tell us your opinion right here. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever we post something new.